We are researched over 50 ring lights, and the top 5 for some quality hands-on time. We press each one to ensure a comprehensive testing process. We took tons of selfies and portraits, calculated setup and downtime for each model, evaluated reliability and durability, and left with confidence that we had tested this light to the best of our ability. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in ring lights. Today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best ring lights review. We've scoured the internet, tested everything out for ourselves, and narrowed down the best of the best to bring you our top 5 ring lights. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your ring lights or just want to stay in the know, this video is for you. If you want to check the products, please check the description. Number 1, Westcott BiColor LED Ring Light Kit. At 2435 lumens, the Westcott ring light will be your brightest option. With a color rendering index of up to 97 and a color temperature of 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, it provides soft, pleasant lighting that fills in shadows on faces and reflects highlights in subjects' eyes. The stand is also extremely durable and includes 2 shoe mounts and a 1/1 divided by 4-20 mount option for accessories such as smartphones, digital cameras, and action cams weighing up to 10 pounds. Number 2, Loon Cube Cordless Ring Light Mini. If you're searching out a smaller ring light, the Loon Cube Cordless Ring Light Mini is an excellent alternative at 12 inches. The light has a cry of up to 97, so you can use this light to bring out the natural colors in your video. You can also easily fine-tune the brightness level and color temperature via the display screen. You can connect this light to the AC adapter or use the included battery for on-the-go operation that can run for up to 80 minutes at full brightness. Number 3, Neewer LED Ring Light Kit. Neewer has the entirety you want in case you are a writer seeking to begin making content. Includes 18-240 LED flashlight, 2 color filters, white and orange, to switch color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. Bluetooth remote control, adjustable aluminum alloy stand and carrying case from 29.5 to 61. Number 4, Bendie-Brite Folding USB Ring Light. If you want to use the ring light on the road in a variety of indoor or outdoor settings, this ring light is collapsible, making it the most portable option on our list. The 10 inches ring light folds in half to fit into a carry-on bag for easy portability. Raya's right-hand Bendie-Brite flashlight has a spring-loaded clip that fits most smartphones up to 3.25 inches wide, but also has a cold shoe for adding a microphone or optional bracket to the rig. Number 5, UB-size Selfie Ring Light with Tripod Stand. While ring lighting can price you with inside the hundreds, this ring mild from UB-size is a cheap alternative at under $30. There are 3 color lighting modes: warm light, cool white, and daylight. Additionally, each lighting mode has 11 levels of brightness. The kit includes a universal phone holder that extends to 3.6 inches in width and rotates 360 degrees, so it can fit most smartphones. The included remote works with iOS and Android phones. And there you have it, our top 5 best ring lights. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision and find the perfect ring lights to fit your needs. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.